Hello everyone, I am Heba Hassan and today we are in a new lesson using TyFlow in 3D Max. Today we will do the appealing effect. It's very common, this effect, in many commercials, and maybe some of the movie use this effect in order to convert from a product into another product, or to reveal a new idea, new something, just appealing like an orange. Let's see here the effect, how to do it, how to use TyFlow in order to imitate or simulate this effect. We'll use a very simple product, for example, sphere here. Okay, let's change the color. Do something dark like this. Okay. And let's take this sphere up like that. We will deal with this sphere as if it is the product that we want to reveal on. So let's rename this product to be inner. Okay, because this is the product, I can make it very smooth as I want, because it will not deal with the TyFlow, something like that. Okay, and then take another clone to be a copy, and this copy will be the outer skin. Okay, let's hide the inner, and now let's deal with the outer. For the outer here, let's go with top and come close. I don't need all this smoothness. Just try a number that's double, like 24, maybe higher, like 30 or 32. Just choose a number that can be divided with 4, okay, because I will have 1 quarter, 2, 3, 4, so I need the same number for the 4 quarters. But before doing anything else, I need both of them in the center. If you notice here, they are not in the center, so let's make it here, center, center, center. Okay, so to be 0, and also the other one to be the same. Very important. Both should be at the same point. Okay, so now I am sure that they are 24, 32 can be divided on 4, as we said. Oops. And now I want to convert it to be editable poly. Now let's choose here these faces. Be sure that I really choose other face here. I only need, yes, these faces here. Go to perspective. Be sure that all of the faces, oh yes, are selected here, all over the sphere. Nice. Go to top, and now go down, another, and detach it into outer skin 01, for example. Okay, so now let's go out of the faces to object, and I have here this quarter, this object, and this object. I don't want this. Okay, I only need this. Be sure that the pivot is the center. If it is not at the center, move it to the center. And then go to Snap, Rotate with Shift, and rotate it to another -90. Be sure I want a copy, and now I want it to be 3 copies. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So here now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quarters. Really good. Now select the first one here and go down, 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 down. And attach to second quarter, third, and fourth. Now I'm back to outer skin. Now here I do have one other sphere to be outer skin. Now I'm back to the outer skin like we see here. Very good. Let's choose both of them. Just move it up like this. Cool. Now if here I visible the inner, if you notice here both of them are the same size, and that's not cool. We need the outer skin to be a little bit bigger than the inner, because we will add some effects to the outer skin that will make it go inside. So let's go to the top and select the outer skin and take the scale and take it a little bit out like that, as you see here. Let's just change it to wireframe. And here with the outer, it's a little bit big, as you see. So now let's add here another effect. So let's add here shell. Okay, let's make it like that. Let's add the inner a little bit to be something like that. Okay, and then let's add turbo smooth. And here it will be like you want. If you want it to be like that here, as you see, if you want it to be like that here, to use the same effect as when it is peeling from outside, going like this, and you see the effect or see every quarter like that. It's up to you. If you don't want to see this like that, you can change the shell first and then the turbo smooth to be like that. It's up to you. Okay, so here I like this look more. Okay, so here I like this one. With the turbo smooth here, let's change it a little bit to add another iteration like that. I think this is cool. If you want to, you can add another one, but it really will take a lot of time in simulation. Anyway, just make it like that and make it another rotations like this, maybe just one. Okay, that's really cool. Alright, now what? Okay, now let's collapse all of these here. And I really don't like this color. Let's change it to something dark here. Okay, something like that. Now I want to add here the floor, so let's add the floor. To choose a box in order to draw the floor is very important here. Is why to choose a box instead of a plane? When dealing with dynamics, it's very good to choose something with a volume, not something stick, very light like the plane. This is number one. Number two here, it's very important to make it more than one face like this. It's not here hanging in faces. So let's make some segments, just few segments, and not too much, but something that will not cause a bad effect to his dynamics. So it's very important here. Maybe take it up a little. Yes, something like that. And now everything is ready for TyFlow. Let's go here to TyFlow. Draw it anywhere. I think that the version here needs an update. I am here using 1620. Okay, just wait a minute, I'll update it and I'll be back. Now I'm using here 1622. Alright, and now let's go to this is the last this is the last version I'm using here for right now. So let's go to TyFlow. 1 minute. Let's take a space like this, and let's start. What do I want? Here I want to change this outer skin in order to appeal or to open, in order to present the inner product, which is the inner sphere. So here I need a birth shape, okay, and to pick the outer skin, nothing else. Small dots, it doesn't matter because it will deal with the shape itself. Let's take it a little bit like that. And now I need bending shape. Where is it? Yes, so I will take here the clothespine. As soon as I take the clothespine, I'll have here the particles that affect here the clothes that we see here. So I will hide the inner, I'll hide also the outer, and now I have here the clothes of the TyFlow. I will not change here something like stretch, maybe to be 0.8, the shear maybe also 0.8. Okay, the bend here, the higher value of the bend will make or will resist the opening close of this surface. So I'll need this actually because it will give me some appearing of powerful clothes. It's not like curtains or something like very light. No, I need something to resist it. So let's higher it a little bit to be 0.5, for example. Okay, for the stiffness constraint, more more accurate here. So volume, I don't need a volume. I don't think add shell. If you want to add it, it's okay, but we already added shell for the outer skin. Okay, everything is good here. Now I want it here not to appeal or do any effect until I do ask it, until I ask this particle in order to begin to appeal. In order to do this, I need it to be deactivated, not to be affected by anything else until I do it or ask it to. In order to do this, I need switch operator. And this time, or in this situation here, I cannot ask the physics switch. Why? Because physics switch dealing with shapes. In this case here, this is not a shape. This is a particle. A particle taking the look of a cloth, but it's still a particle. So physics switch will do nothing here. So I need here a particle switch. So I will take the particle switch and just be deactivated. Okay. Let's rename here this event to be initial close. Okay, and save this. Now what? Now here I need something for this particle to ask it to begin appealing. So something here to give it the order and move from up to down, 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 down until I ask it to stop. So here, let's close the TyFlow and let's choose something, anything you need. You need a box, sphere, cylinder, whichever you want. In this case here, I will choose a sphere. And let's start here. Now go to top and let's come here. It's not conditioned to be at the center, but just to draw a sphere, just like that. Okay. Oh, sorry. Let's come here like that. And I want this sphere to be up, 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 just like that here. And let's stay at the first frame. Just I need more frames here to be, for example, 400, which when I pick film, change to be 320. Okay, and let's set a key till, for example, wait a minute, maybe another frame to be 60. I need this here to be down like that, and also the radius to be a little bit bigger, to be out like that, and to be out. Because if I come down, the effect will be really bad. It will be appealing till the end. Okay, so I guess that is good here. So from the beginning, and let's see. Yes, that's what I want. Nice. I don't need to see the sphere, or let's just leave it for now and rename it to be opener. So this one here, oh sorry, opener. This one here will open this appeal, will affect the appeal itself. Going back to TyFlow to add this one. Till now here is the particle is deactivated. Okay, I don't need to see these dots here. And now I want to add the opener inside TyFlow. In order to do this, I will need here a service test. So I'll add this service test. What we will do, only to affect or to do the test when the volume is inside. When this volume or this particle is inside this volume. Okay, where's your test? Pick it. So I pick this one, the opener. So whenever the particle is inside the opener, activate it. Okay, so where should this go? Yes, it should go to the particle switch. So when here the shape is just looking like that, deactivate it, don't move until it's inside the service, and then activate it. So in spite of deactivate, just activate it. Okay, let's change the color so something we notice here, like green. And let's see here, it does move, do something or not. So go down, down, down until it's inside the volume. Yes, 1 minute. As you see here, it's just running from the frames. Escape, stop. I don't want to see the opener, or maybe we can make it look like a box. Display as a box. Something like that. Alright. Now let's see. Yes, that's it. So here I'm sure that this method here is already right. Okay, so the particles is affected by the opener, as you see. Perfect. Now I need it to open. I need it to be appealed. So I need here a force. So here I'll add a force. Yes, I see it here. To add a force before the switch. And for this force, I do have here many forces not activated, but I only here need the gravity. Because it's very close to the earth or to the ground, I do not need here a bigger number. So just minus 0.4, for example. Okay. If we have a look here, begin to see. If you have a look here, let's deactivate this and just look here. It will just go down. I don't see the inner. Let's see the inner here. And if you notice, begin to like the clothes, which is going to be really, really soft like this. I don't want to look like this. I need it to be collided with the inner and with the ground. So here I need a collision. If we go here, we will find two collisions. I can see here physics collision and the normal collision. You think which one we choose? Right, a collision. Why? Physics collision deals with objects. This is not an object, it's a particle. Because it's a particle, I need the collision. Oh yes, I'm sorry, I have 41, so I need to wait. Yes, so go back. And what do you want to collide with? So let's pick here the inner, and also let's pick the ground. So I needed to collide with both of these. I will not do anything here. I don't want to change it for now. Let's see what does it do here. Till now the box is away. Yes, we begin to do something here. Yeah, if you notice, stop, yes. As you see here, if I have a look, begin to go down, but it's really soft. I don't want it to be very soft and go easily and just going from this center very easy. No, just increase a little bit the friction, okay, to be about 80, for example. Just wait a minute and just notice here the difference between 80 and this one here. It's going very quickly. I don't need to change the variations of the threshold. Bounce is good. Yes, now it gave some strength over there. Nice. But this here is not the effect I want. In order to do this effect, I need here another force, not only gravity. I need something to push these parts here away and then going smoothly down. Okay. To do this, I need another force. Instead of this force, let's add here a force using the max itself. So let's add here a wind. Let's go to the top and let's come here to add, I don't see it. Yeah, but here I want to change the look of the planer to be spherical. Let's increase the icon a little bit. Come close. Let's delete the other one here. So I have here this window. Nice. Now I need to add it to TyFlow. Okay, let's take the force and pick this window. Okay. Now come close. Let's see this. Be careful. The wind here with a strength 1, with no decay, with nothing here, it will destroy the effect. Let's see how. This is coming down. Stop. See what does happen here? But I want you to see more. Let's remove over time. Come back. Move frame by frame. See what does this happen here? Oh my god. If you have a look here, this is not exactly what I want. No. If you remove the inner, it destroys the effect, giving me a very strange one. That's not what I want. I need something else. I need it to just pick a little and then go smoothly down. So this is what I don't want. First of all, in order to do this, I need the icon itself to go bigger from this. Yes, a little more. And then I want here to affect the range only, not everywhere, but only here. I want also some decay. For example, 0.6 or maybe 7. And now let's have a look here. Yeah, begin to give me something good. As you see here, going smoothly, going down, and that's really nice. Good. Stop here. Let's see. Much better than before. Very nice. From now here, we can change some variables to try to have better look, or the look we want. First of all, here I need the start not from here, to push it from here, no, to push it from down. Yes, something like that, just to push and come down. So maybe a little bit down here. Okay. And the power is too much. Let's make it 0.5. And here maybe another 3, for example. And let's take the icon much bigger to cover the whole sphere. Also maybe change some variables here in the strength of the gravity itself to be a little bit lower, and also the collision. Maybe change the friction to be a little, 60, for example. And let's see what this will do. Yes, something close to what I want here. But wait a minute. Why it's still away? Maybe it's very strong. So here, from this, change it a little bit. The strength of the wind, very, very strong. So maybe this is the reason of this look. Now I need to go down. Well, not very bad. But if we go back here, maybe go back to TyFlow and change here for the collision, maybe it will change the effect from bounce to continue. Okay, and lower the friction a little bit, maybe 40. Okay, and for the wind, make it 5 here, maybe 4, and let's see. Yes, that's what I want. Just going like that and down. Very nice. If I want to the effect till the end, I can move the sphere till the end, remember? Very nice. Very nice. Maybe change here the look. Performance, yes. To be like this, curtains. Maybe I want the opener. For the auto there. Come down. I forget to remove the TyFlow or hide it. So let's hide here the TyFlow. Still counting 1 minute. Yes, yes. So it's still effect here. From the beginning, stop a minute. Yeah. Very nice. That's, oh no, 1 minute. Maybe take this one. Here. That's very good. So here, before doing this, I needed to stop over here. So let's hide this. Shows the open this cam and take the opener. Maybe here and coming up a little. Yes. I just cancel the caching so it doesn't do anything. Now, I think it will be different. But very close to what I want here. Yeah, open it, give the power and just go smoothly to the ground. Open the gift. Nice. Just like that. Very good. Okay. But if we continue here, we may face this problem. If you have a look here, begin to go down from the ground. Okay. To solve this problem, maybe going to collision and change the continue really affect it and solve a problem and give me the effect I want, but give me another problem. So let's go back to bounce and maybe change bouncing to be very small, for example 1 only, and higher the friction for this time to be about 80. I don't think we need to change anything else here. Okay. Maybe higher this one to be 5. And let's show the inner gift or the inner product. Or let's see what will happen here. I hope it really collides with the ground. I think it will. So yes, give me the same effect. That's really nice. Going down here. Okay. No. Going smoothly. I don't need this. I need the same look. Maybe the problem here is not with the TyFlow, but with the outer skin itself. Maybe, yes. Let's go here for the top. I don't see anything here. Okay, maybe when we go to the top, let's hide the opener for now. I guess that the inner, see, the inner is very, very close to the outer, and this is not good. Okay, I need to scale the outer a little bit. Let's scale it out to have space in order to collide. See the inner? Yes, something like that. Very good. So let's scale it a little bit more. I think this will solve the problem. I hope. So let's see here. Let's hide the outer, let's the TyFlow, the wind, and let's see. Of course, I don't see the box. Yes. Yes, solve the problem. Very good. That's what I want. It will collide with the ground. Yeah, collided with the ground. Very good. That's it. That's what I want. Thank you. So as we see here, we made the effect we want. Just peel it and see the inner product. Make sure that you do have space from the outer and the inner in order to collide with, and make sure of the numbers. You need just to change and to try some numbers with the wind, with the collision, to change the effect. Very, very important is the outer skin to have something detached. As we saw here, we didn't weld the point itself in order to give it a space to cut in. If I didn't give it the 4 cuts that I want the effect to be here, it will cut anywhere, just haphazardly, without a specific way I want. This technique is very, very important. You can use it in various commercials and ideas. You can use, instead of this sphere, you can use knives or something you open a gift. Okay, I hope you like this tutorial. We will see you together again with another one in TyFlow. See you.